we're going to discuss the metric system. So, let's see. Metric system is an important system. You know how we need to know metric system, and we also need to know the English system because we live in America and we use both. So, it's got these, the metric system has a great system. It's based on tens. So there's all these little prefixes that mean something. The base is meter, liter, or gram. Meter is our length. We measure things in length with meters. Liter is our volume. And gram is our weight. And these are the base, or 10 to the 0, which means 1, the number 1. Deci, or decimeter, deciliter, decigram, means 10 to the negative 1. Centimeter, centiliter, centigram, centa means 10 to the negative 2. Milli, 10 to the negative 3. Micro, 10 to the negative 6. Nano, 10 to the negative 9. And then if we go bigger, deca, 10 to the 1. Oh, I thought that was hecto. It says hepta. I must have gotten that wrong. I've always said hecto. But hepta is 10 to the 2nd. Kilo is 10 to the 3rd. Mega, 10 to the 6th. Giga, 10 to the 9th. Okay, so how many grams are in 134 milligrams? So this is how we're going to do this. There's 2 steps that I'm going to teach you. Number 1, you want to do this. You see these little exponents here that go with the prefixes? You want to take what you're coming from, the from exponent, and then you want to subtract where you're going to, the to exponent. And then step 2 is to move the decimal. For instance, how many grams are there in 134 milligrams? I'm starting with milligrams, and I'm going to grams. Okay, ready? Look at milligrams. Milli has a exponent of -3. I'm going from -3, and I'm going to subtract the exponent on grams. Well, gram is the base, and so the exponent is 0. So -3 minus 0 is -3. What does that mean? I'm going to move the decimal 3 places to the left of the original number. 134 has the decimal here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 0.134 grams is the equivalent, is equal to 134 milligrams. Let's do this again. How many milliliters are there in 33.4 deciliters? I am going from deciliters, we need his exponent, to milliliters. We need his exponent, and we're going to subtract. Deciliters, it's right here. It's 10 to the negative 1. Negative 1 minus milliliters. He's 10 to the negative 3. Negative 3. Negative 1 minus the negative 3 is plus 3. This is 2. I'm going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. I get 3340. This is the number of milliliters that there are in 33.4 deciliters. So that's how you can convert using metrics. So here are a few more examples for us to look at. Complete the following metric conversions. All right. If we want to go from nanometers to centimeters, the decimal on a nanometer is -9. We're going to subtract. Centimeter is -2. -9 minus the -2 is -9 plus 2. We're going to move the decimal 7 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 4, 7. That's how many centimeters are in that guy. We're going to go from grams. The exponent on a gram is 0. Subtract it from where we're going to. Kilograms. The exponent on the kilograms is 3. 0 minus 3 is -3. We're going to move our decimal 3 places to the left. Currently it's here, so this is going to turn into .462 kilograms. We're going from decimeters to meters. The exponent on a decimeter is -1. We're going to meters. That has an exponent of 0. -1 minus 0 is -1. We're going to be moving our decimal to the 1 to the left. So 0.8 is what we get right there. We're going from kilograms. The exponent is 3 to milligrams. We're going to subtract it. Milligrams has the exponent of -3. 3 minus -3 is 3 plus 3, which is 6. We're going to move our decimal 6 places to the right. So 9, 8, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We moved it to the right. So there are this little bitty tiny part of it, centimeters and this many nanometers. There are 0.462 kilograms and 462 grams. There's 0.8 meters and 8 decimeters. There are, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9,837,000,000,000 milligrams and 9,837 kilograms. So that's how we can do those conversions. Here's a little bit of extra practice. It's the same game. Centimeters, we're going from meters. His base is 0. We're going 2 centimeters. His exponent is -2. 0 minus -2 is 2. Move it 2 to the right, 210. We're going from centimeters. That's a -2. Subtract it from where we're going. We're going from -2 to a base of 0. -2 minus 0 is -2. We're going to go 2 to the left. We get 2.1. Millimeters. -3 minus centimeters, -2. -3 plus 2 is -1. 1 to the left is going to be 40. Deciliters. Deciliters is -1. Liters, its base is 0. So we're just going to move -1 to the left. So it's going to be 30. From milligrams to kilogram, from kilograms to milligrams. Kilograms has an exponent of 3 minus the milligrams has an exponent of -3. 3 minus -3 is 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We move it 6 to the right. All right, that's how you can do some conversions.